Hello students, how are you? I hope you are fine. I am fine also. So, I am telling you about Delhi University's second cutoff 2020, which I show you in thumbnail. So, limited seat will be available there. Because of this is all depend on your percentage. So we will see what is criteria. So you have to stay in this video till end, then you will get some knowledge about DU second cutoff. And let's start now. But firstly, I want to say that if you visited in this channel first time, please subscribe this channel and please don't forget press bell icon. You will get all notification towards this channel. Okay, now I'm telling you step to step. First thing is that there are still several applications left to be processed on Wednesday, which was the last day of applying for admission to UG courses on the basis of the first cutoff. Most of the top colleges will likely see only a marginal dip in the second cutoff. So remember this thing, and this is very important thing. And second thing is the principal of Miranda House, Vijay Lakshmi Nanda, said that the college's political science undergraduate courses has a total strength of 68 with 99% cutoff in the first round of admissions. The course will be open for the second round of admission, and for the students who belong to scheduled caste and OBC category. So you have to see these all, and you have to keep in your mind all important things. Students, don't be hopeless if you didn't get admission in your choice college. So that I'm telling you next important thing. Listen attentionally. But I won't tell you that a third point is sorry. Uh, I have approved. I am telling you what principal said of Miranda College. I have approved 666 admission as of 5 p.m. In political science, we have approved 78 admission, of which 60 have paid. Admission for the unreserved category will close in that program. It is also likely to close for the unreserved category in geography. The principal said, I already told you that the principal said, and Miranda College principal said this, and I am telling you fourth point. Fourth point is very important. So I am telling you fourth point about your cutoff. Indraprastha College for Women is also expected to keep admissions open for most of the courses, wearing various BA program combinations. The principal of Sri Ram College of Commerce, Simrit Kaur, said that she cannot say anything till Friday if the courses will remain open or not. So she clarified already, and she told you that she cannot say anything till Friday if the course will remain open or not. So keep it in your mind this thing also. And now we will check what is fifth point is. Fifth point is this, that Ramjas College. If we talk about Ramjas College, Ramjas College approved around 600 applications, while 130 candidates were able to pay the fees successfully. At Atmaram Sanatan Dharma College, around 450 number of applicants took admission in the first round of admission. Okay, got it? I told you about Ramjas College also. Ramjas College approved around 600 application, while 130 candidates were able to pay the fees successfully. Now we are going towards sixth point. Sixth point is already told you. I already told you that Ramjas College approved around 600 applications, while 130 candidates were able to pay the fees successfully at Atmaram Sanatan Dharma College. Around 450 number of which I said before, if you remember. Students, you can subscribe this channel. Clearly I'm telling you all things which is related by your cutoffs. Now I'm telling you seventh point is the second cutoff is expected. This is very important thing. Listen carefully. The second cutoff is expected to be announced on Saturday, 17 October 2020. Lady Shri Ram College had declared the highest cutoff at 100% for the physiology and economics and political science undergraduate courses in the first cutoff list. These courses will be open for the second round of admission as well. This is good news for you that these courses will be open for the second round of admission as well. So students, take care, bye-bye. Let's meet on Saturday, 17 October 2020. Thank you.